Hello, students. So today, in moot court and internship, your topic will be what is moot court, the meaning of moot court, and the importance of moot court. So this is the topic that I'm going to tell you about. So what is a moot court? Moot court is basically it is a mock court, and it is basically where the participants are making oral submissions before the judgments and after analyzing a legal problem. So the participants have to do research and give relevant laws. They have to write and draft a written memorial, and they have to plead their case before the panel of the judges. The moot problem is usually in unsettled areas of law or laws which have recent changes or developments. They have few grounds of appeal which is argued by each side. So the moot court is like you are stimulating a real court, and students are participating in a stage court proceedings that are basically related to fictional dispute between parties. And mostly moot courts are conducted in law schools where the students are expected to pursue their careers in the field of law as lawyers, as arbitrators, and as judges. So this is a very nice way to practice and to be trained for future along with development in the required skills. So when you talk about moot according to a Oxford and Chambers dictionary, it means to propose for discussions or to argue for practice, and a matter about which there may be disagreement or uncertainty. So now let's understand what are the importance that is attached with the moot court. So whenever a person is participating in a moot court competition, it helps him to develop skills that are very important to be a successful lawyer. Like, it helps in teamwork. So when you prepare for a moot court, a teamwork for three students work and practice for the case together between the time period given from 2 weeks to 3 months. So this such a team consists of students from different ideologies, from different thoughts, different states, and thus while working with together with each other in a team for a common object increases the compatibility, the communication, and interpersonal skills. Then comes the it helps in research and writing skills. So with the help of the drafting of moot court problem, and the law graduates and the lawyers need a real effort for a student to crack it, and for that hours of research is done, proper knowledge about the subject matters is required to be attained, so that the team can make the best memorial, putting your arguments so that the team can make the best memorial, and putting your arguments into a logical good write up. This all helps in improving the writing skills to a great extent. Then it also helps in speaking skills. So after knowing that you will be judged by an experienced lawyer or by an experienced professor, one gets to display the speaking skills as proficiently he can. So a student cannot be expected to get away with the speaking fluff just like that. And participating in such competition and speaking lets you get your fear out of yourself so that you can speak as confidentially as possible. So it helps you in gaining experience, also working in a team for a long, make good friends and maybe good enemies. And participating in a moot court means you are traveling from one city to another, and you're meeting and chatting with new people, which is itself a very big experience to count on. And so it is competing with different students from different law schools from all over the country. So it does gives a good experience. and it helps the students to have knowledge of existing provisions of law and application on those legal issues. So why no student knows about each and every law, and neither does the course curriculum in our colleges can teach us every aspect of law. So whenever you go through a moot problem, one always ends of knowing something new, and there is always various provisions of acts that will encounter and that will make them deal with matters while preparing for the memorial. And once having knowledge about the laws and provisions and sections of any act. So does moot court does help in applying the theoretical laws in our practical lives, and the students are practically taught honesty of the purpose, and it is also a very good element to be added in your CV. uh, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.